You are a citizen of which country?
Because of there is a country
Vanuatu.
Vanuatu.
Have you been there?
No,
Not yet.
There is no country like that.
only as far as the
How many identities do you have?
I had it says multiple identities is what it says.
I'm very upset that my
Practical-
dear friends are appearing for people like this.
I am known for appearing for people like this.
Yes. That in that
हाँ वो तो एक साल के लिए फंस जाएंगे.
एक साल का वीजा लग जाएगा.
I didn't know that
एक साल का वीजा लग जाएगा जेल में.
application for regular bail, Manoj. I'm in custody for 1 year, 3 months.
For doing what?
Sole ground for dismissal is that your lordship.
So what is the offence alleged against you?
Offences are 406, 409, 420, 465, 468. Usual, Manoj, that are there.
Usual. You are a citizen of which country?
Because of there is a country
Vanuatu.
Vanuatu.
Have you been there?
No,
Not yet.
There is no country like that.
only those Malods who
We also know a country called Kailasa. Similar to that.
same.
Similar to that.
This is somewhere in Caribbean. It's too far. Any flight which is less than 6 hours, I will take 6 to 8 hours. More than that is not possible. Anyway, Malods, 4 other cases have been granted bail. Regardless of that, Malods. Please see, Malods, as far as the
How many identities do you have?
Malods, I had it says multiple identities is what it says. Kindly consider, Malods, 4 in
Can there be
other
more research on this fellow in prison?
Malods in Baba. It's just
Mr. Shankarani is opposing you.
imagine, Milord, I was surprised he was telling me somebody who stands up for liberty all the time, Milord, now is
Liberty of investors.
for best articles, etc. written on liberty, Milord, and now to oppose, it's very surprising, Milord. I am very disappointed in my dear
You
friend.
must have come here with a very heavy heart.
No, it's not with very,
Against
very,
your own conscience.
I'm very upset that my dear friend is appearing for people like this.
I am known for appearing for people like this, Milord.
Yes. In that you are right.
Yes.
And he admits there are people like this, so in
Why?
which case, they'll just keep like.
So obviously unless
Mr. Rohini was opposing one of those big fraudsters and
Yes,
squatters.
and your lordship said,
What is this?
but didn't include me in that fraudsters list, Milord. I was upset about that, Milord. But kindly imagine, 4 he's got bail. This is the only case.
39 witnesses to be examined, 7 already
No,
examined.
148.
What is the fact?
Statement in reply is your own rejoinder, you say 39 only.
That's
You
what
have left out.
they have proven. They say they have.
So they will examine 39 only, don't worry.
1 year, 3 months, put me to terms. 4,
guy-
Manoj, 4 he has
How many-
got bail. 4 he has got bail for similar offences. Manoj.
Shankar, we will advise him to file
But they have
cancellation.
not challenged it.
They will do it now.
Not challenged it now, Manoj. 4 he has
You are
got
paying
bail.
for the state?
Yes, Lord.
1 year, 3 months he is already.
There is a little bit to be said, which is fairly serious. This is, I mean, among the classic cases of.
Why are you arguing? Oh, you've not called upon you.
No, I thought you were.
Let me renew it, Manoj.
Next.
No, Manoj, just
You want to withdraw?
No, not withdraw. The High Court, Manoj, in the impugned order says because.
How much time will you take to conclude the trial?
We have 34 witnesses, of which 3 are formal, 4 are official. Police, so we will rush that. That shouldn't be a problem. We are on the 7th witness right now, a long date because this 5,000 pages that we are told
Is
to
that-
file. So we are filing that. So I think, how much time do you think, Vijay? 6 to 8 months we should be done is what I feel with those witnesses.
Permit me after.
1 year.
Yeah, 1 year. 1 year I think is fair.
Not, Manoj, 1 year, but then let me withdraw it, Manoj.
All right, dismiss and withdraw.
Then let me withdraw it. Otherwise, एक साल period लग जाएगा.
हाँ वो तो एक साल के लिए फंस जाएंगे.
एक साल का वीजा लग जाएगा.
I didn't know that.
एक साल का वीजा लग जाएगा जेल में.
Exactly, Manoj. We'll try another time. Why take that order, Manoj?
Next.
Obliged.
I'm grateful.
Certified custody for 1 year.
Obliged.
My request.